Hi, now I am going to show you alternative to Hlookup, getting Hlookup result without using Hlookup function. Okay, let's go to Excel. Okay, I have this value for student Victoria. What is a student Victoria? Okay, what is her revision exam mark? Okay, I'm going to find out using Hlookup. First with the Hlookup, then later. Okay, what exam I'm going to find out? I'm going to find a revision exam. Okay, how to do it in Hlookup? Lookup value is the revision exam. What is the table array? This is the table array. And what is the row index number? Which row value you want to, which row value you want to return back? Okay, which is the row number 2, which is marks. So, and what kind of lookup it is? You want to look up approximate match or exact match? I need a exact match. Okay, which is 67. You got it right. The Hlookup value is 67. Okay, now we are going to use the same technique and find out what is the mark of revision exam, but without using Hlookup. For that, I need to know what is the position of revision exam within this array. Okay, for that I use the function match of what lookup value I am going to look it up. Revision exam lookup array is this. Is it exact match? Yes, 0. Okay, so this is the position within this array, revision exam position. Okay, then what I am going to do is I am going to look for what is the mark within this position. Okay, for that I use the index function. Index function. What I am going to look it out, the array is, this is the array, marks array, and use the previously we already computed which position the revision exam is in, so that row num. Okay, row num is 1, which is the column number we want to use it. Okay, row number is 1 and the column number is 2, 67. Okay, since the again 67, so you no need to put the row number and column number, because you put only the column number, because it is only one row array. It automatically knows that the number which you put is the column number, or you want to put it properly, row number and column number, put 1 and 2, 67. So this way you know that this is the Hlookup value 67. This is the calculator value of both combined together, match and index 67. This is the way you can avoid using Hlookup and use match and index function and get the value of any array. For now we will test this one, and instead of revision exam we will put annual exam and see whether it brings 98. This one brings 98 Hlookup, but whereas this one is not there. So is supposed to be this should not be hard coded. This is supposed to be this value. Okay, let's see. Last time okay, 67 midterm test 80. Okay, this is the way you can use match and index function together and calculate exactly the H lookup value. Thank you.